In this video, I will show you how to find direct deposit form in RBC app. So if you want to find it, what you can do is you can head over first to your browser and then go to rbcroyalbank.com. Now from there, you should be able to see this. Make sure that you have successfully signed in, and in here you can see your accounts option, and in here you should be able to see the option for your actual debit or direct deposit. Here's your direct deposit right here. Just head over and click on that. And in here you can see how to set it up. Now, if you already enabled it into your actual RBC app and you have already logged in, you should be able to see a different option. Here it is right here. Just head over to my accounts and then RBC Royal Bank accounts. Click onto this view and print payroll direct deposit form and then just choose which account you want to view and print. And once you have done that, click on this view and print option that you should be able to see right here in order to see the form that you're looking for.